Welcome family to Be Happy with Sophia. So yesterday evening, as there was love in the air, so I had prepared Paripu Payasam for all at home. So tried preparing it, so let's see the recipe for it. For that I had taken a cooker and in that I had taken 2 tablespoons of ghee. So let's start. 2 tablespoons of ghee. In that we'll fry some dry nuts, that is black raisins, brown raisins and few cashew nuts. Let's fry it in the ghee. It was an easy method so that you can finish it fast. Yes, so let's fry till the raisins becomes brown and like this. So remove it out and keep it aside. Yes. Here I have taken moong dal, 1 cup of moong dal, that is paripu, and I'll fry it that in the cooker. Add some ghee and fry. Fry it little till it becomes golden brown in color and you get the aroma of that dal when you fry it in the ghee. So fry it. Don't forget to stir. Keep on stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. Fry it nicely. Here I added 1 pinch of salt along with it and give a stir. I am holding a camera in one hand and trying to move the spoon from the other, so it was little difficult for me. Here I have added the second extraction of the milk and keeping for boiling. Simultaneously the jaggery I have kept for boiling, sharkara pani. These are few dates, 5 to 6 dates, which we'll be using. We'll de-seed it and then we'll be using for the payasam. This is the dates pulp which I have removed. This pulp I'll be adding along with the jaggery water. The sharkara pani da kude I will be adding this dates pulp. This is few cardamom, cumin seeds, and this brown powder type is the dry ginger, that is chukk, which we'll be using when to add it in the payasam. Now once the dal is being boiled, after being boiled I'll be adding the sharkara pani, the jaggery water. Strain it nicely and then add. Give a stir. Stir it nicely. Yes, see to it that when you are boiling the dal is not getting completely smashed or crushed. It should be little, you means like when you are eating when you are having the payasam, you get to bite the dal in between. Yes, now stir it and now you can add that dates pulp in it. Usually this is optional. I have not seen everybody doing so, but I do it. So if you want you can add, otherwise you can use it only with the jaggery. Here I am adding the chukk, jeeragam and jeera, and that is cardamom which I have crushed and kept. Give it a boil. Once it has been boiled, simmer the flame and add the tanipal, the first extraction of coconut milk. Once you add this first coconut milk, now no need of giving a boil, just stir it, and once it becomes warm, put off the flame. Yes, and now our paripu payasam is ready. Garnish it with the dry nuts which we had already fried and kept in the ghee. Yes, garnished and kept. So this is the payasam for you all to relish. Hope you liked. And then in the morning I thought let's see, we'll make something. So yesterday's idiyappam's little podi was remaining back, so I thought today I'll make ada. So this is how we made ada for morning breakfast. If you do it in a banana leaf, this is the banana leaf on which I tried. It's taste more yum, because in that steaming when you do, you get that flavor of that banana leaf too. In between I have given the mixture of coconut, jaggery mixed with little cardamom, cumin and chukk, dry ginger, same way. So it is good for your stomach too. Fold it and let's keep for steaming. Here the steaming in same way like idli tat, multitasker vessel it is for me. Okay, so in that the tat I have kept it inverted like this, and then I'll keep the ella in that. So this is the second one. Let's add that. Fold it, press it nicely, and keep it in the tattu. Now close it and let it get steamed for at least 5 to 8 minutes. And now let's see how the ada is being come out. I'll plate it on the plate on. So this, I'll open the leaf and I'll show you. This is the ada. It was really tasty. And morning we had the breakfast. Ada. This way. Yeah. But as usual, chapati is not going to leave us. And I had to prepare chapati for the tiffin because we had it for only breakfast like this, and for him to take in his tiffin, I had to prepare chapati. So children enjoyed eating their breakfast. Jessica loves to eat all Nadan Palaharam, and Joel is fond of all our Mumbai items. So hope you enjoy this video, and do try the recipe and please let me know in the comment box. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Love you.